everybody, it's me, and now we're going to be doing our last shape, which is shape 5. I'm going to do it a different method. It's called subtractive method. Let's create a new part studio. I'm going to go front view. Okay. And I'm going to create a structure that is 1 by 2 by 3. So I'm going to sketch it. I'm going to go to sketch. I'm going to go to corner rectangle. I'm going to go right to my origin, and I'm going to create a sketch. I'm now going to just a regular rectangle. Now I'm going to dimension it 2 squares by 3 squares, and that's the overall dimensions. We're going to do 1 square or 1 inch in depth. It should be by 3. And my shape is done. Next step, we're going to extrude. So I'm going to extrude by 1 inch. Done. And now let me look at it isometrically. We have a just a square. So now I'm going to cut out from it. I'm going to actually select this front view, and I'm going to sketch on it. Whoops. There's my sketching plane is the cube, and I'm going to sketch out a corner rectangle, and I'm just going to put it so it lines up with the side, and I kind of want it in the middle, but I don't think there's a good way for me to figure that one out. Okay, I have it over here, and now I'm just going to start dimensioning it. We want it to be starting from the point to here. I want this to be 1 inch. So we wanted to start 1 inch above the bottom or the base. So I'm going to go 1 inch. There it is. And now all 3 sides are 1 inch. So this is 1 inch. This is 1 inch. And everything has been dimensioned. So we know it's right. And so I'm going to go check. And now I'm just going to look at it isometrically so we could all see it together. I'm going to highlight this point. Okay, I highlighted it, and now we're going to go to extrude, but instead of extruding, we're going to be removing. So I'm going to go remove, and I'm going to go the depth. You could do 1 inch, but I'm just going to go through all. So however wide it is, it's been removed, and that is the subtractive way of sketching. Now again, my sketch is backwards, so it will look a little bit different in the multi-view. The next step we want to do is we want to add that last block. So let me just look at it isometrically to decide which side I want to do it on. So this is the back side. This is the front, and I think I'll just do it over here. So we just have to turn it a little bit. So let's go and select the side. I'm going to go sketch. I go to my corner rectangle, and from corner to corner, I will have a dimensioned square, which there it is. I'm going to highlight it, and I'm going to extrude 1 inch. And I believe this is what we want to look at. So I'm going to go to the back side. Let me take a look. And I think it looks pretty good. Okay, we are done. Let's change the name to part 5.